Hello everyone, you might know people use Flutter to build mobile apps, but do you know it can also run on the Chipsee 50.6-inch all-in-one Raspberry Pi CM4 touchscreen computer? Today let's have a look. This one runs the Raspberry Pi OS on an SD card. You could also go with eMMC on the CM4 instead of the SD card as well. I first plug in a power cable, and then I will also need a USB keyboard later. It also has Wi-Fi, Ethernet, a very loud built-in speaker, a buzzer, the 40-pin Raspberry Pi GPIO connector, but we don't need them right now. When I was trying this demo, I also used a project called flutter-pi. It moves the development and compile work to my development workstation. Being able to cross-compile it from my X86 Linux workstation makes developing apps for Raspberry Pi practical. So the username is Pi, the password is Raspberry. Let's take a look at the actual demo. I just follow all the docs available on GitHub or a Flutter website, nothing tricky, it just works on this machine. Okay, I will walk you through this wonderful demo. One thing I haven't had time to figure out is how to call out the virtual keyboard. Unlike Android and iOS, Android and iOS have their own system keyboard, but Linux only have virtual keyboard, or you could also attach a USB keyboard on this machine if it's okay for you. This is like a shopping cart. You can see the animation and the reaction is very smooth. We can also adjust the brightness with these buttons. And this is like a financial dashboard app. You could connect it in a kiosk or a backend service or maybe a PLC to read its production process maybe. Many potential scenarios. And this is a photo gallery app. No, it's like a personal travel app. To keep a note of where you have been. And let's see, this is a newspaper or a news website demo. And this one looks like a to-do app. But when I click, there seems to be some weird geometry, no idea what it is. Maybe the rendering engine or old code not compatible with the new framework, or just some weird driver bug specific to this demo. It happens, but I only see it once here. These are the UI components from the official Flutter UI. This is material design, this is Cupertino. One Android and one iOS style. We can test around here and there. I can also test this one, some banner, like a scroll list, but more flexible. And I can also change it to a bigger font. Okay, they look better now. These are all UI components you can find on Android or iOS apps. It's amazing to be able to use them here when developing applications on the Raspberry Pis. So they are very responsive and very smooth. I haven't seen any crashes within my 1 hour long testing. It also has a out-of-box dark mode. If you build applications for people, you should find this feature very convenient. And in the future videos, I plan to try some Raspberry Pi peripherals with Flutter, such as some controllers or like sensors. If you want to know about it, don't forget to like and subscribe. I used to try these apps on the Raspberry Pi desktop environment. I mean in the Raspberry Pi OS with the UI, but it crashes sometimes. With this custom flutter-pi embedder, I run it from the command line, and I haven't seen any crashes, so I would say it's worth evaluating using Flutter to build my next apps on the Pi. And Chipsee did a really good job by providing the touch panel drivers, because I don't have to install anything to use the touch screen. It just works out of box. And I'd like to show you it also supports multi-finger zoom and pinch on this screen later. Okay, this is the pinch and zoom demo. I don't know what this app is about, but I think it shows what Flutter is capable of doing. It can do many complex drawings without lagging, even on such a low-power device. The Chipsee product screen is very good. When I was testing, this device has a screen protector on it. I think it can be even better if I remove the protector while touching on the screen. Okay, this is the license part. Let's click around here and there. The performance is very good, very smooth scrolling, and very responsive. Okay, there is a slow motion mode. It makes things slower. Here it is. Let's try it. Okay, let's still watch this financial app. The animation takes more seconds, but the FPS is still very stable. It's still very smooth. Looks pretty cool. Okay, let's see the power consumption of this 50.6-inch AIO Raspberry Pi computer. While running this app with the lowest brightness, it's around 6 to 7 watts. And if I set the brightness higher, it can go up to 11 watts. So I think this little product is very power efficient with a screen. You can use it 24/7 for your project. I also can't feel any heat from the panel or the real plastic case. It's also fanless, complete passive cooling. So I'm pretty confident it can be used in many places. So this is a demo of Flutter running on the Chipsee all-in-one 50.6-inch Raspberry Pi computer. If you'd like to know more about the product or Flutter use cases on this product, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, see you next time.